Okay. Okay, rain. I can do rain.
I just wanted to say that I'm not sure what happened the other night, but can we talk?
We don't have anything to talk about.
I think we do. You're upset and you're acting as if it's my fault. I don't really know what's going on in your life, but I know that whatever happened the other night, I didn't lock us in.
Lovely rainy rainbow.
I don't know why you're angry with me.
I'm not angry with you. It's not about you. Lindsay decided I must be having an affair because I wasn't texting back, and I couldn't deal.
That's not fair. I mean, I'd never... Well, we didn't. It was the power going out.
Come on, honey. Such a hard rain.
I mean, we're not having what your partner said.
I know we're not. I suppose I owe you an apology.
No, you don't. It's just... I'd never... I'm not that kind of person.
I know. I'm not your type.
You have no idea.
Oh, yes, it's working.
That could have gone better.
Did they vavoom?
I think it's fair to say, Jim, that vavooming was not the end result of that particular tempest.